All right, welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into a really cool tool designed to bring some serious order to the chaos of managing company equipment. It's called AssetSense, and it's all about smart asset management. Let's get into how it tackles a problem pretty much every business faces.
So, here's a simple question for you. Does your company really know where all its stuff is? Laptops, tools, specialized equipment? You know how it is. They move around, they get reassigned, and sometimes they just vanish. This is the exact headache we're talking about today.
So first things first, let's really understand the core challenge here. Managing physical assets isn't just about knowing where things are. It's about efficiency, it's about cost, and it's about your operational flow.
Think about it. When you can't easily track your gear, what happens? You get operational delays because people are hunting for things. You might even end up buying replacements for assets you already have, but just can't find. All those little inefficiencies, they really add up to some major financial hits over time.
So, how do you go from chaos to control? Well, this is where AssetSense steps in, offering a modern, streamlined approach to this age-old business problem. Developed back in 2023, AssetSense is a complete cloud-based platform that goes way beyond a simple spreadsheet. It centralizes the entire life cycle of an asset, from the initial request for a new keyboard to checking out a piece of field equipment, all in one accessible place.
And every great solution has a mind behind it. AssetSense was developed by Bruno Kappi, who came up with this idea as a much more efficient way for companies to handle their physical resources. Now let's dig into what makes this platform so effective. It's all about combining some really powerful features with incredible flexibility.
Okay, the second you log in, you're hit with the dashboard, and this thing is basically your command center. Instead of digging through files or messy spreadsheets, you get this amazing high-level visual summary of your entire asset ecosystem all at a glance. The most critical info is right there, at your fingertips.
And right here, you can really see the power of data visualization. Instantly, you can see assets broken down by type, by location, or by status, like how many are in use versus in for maintenance. This isn't just tracking, it's business intelligence that helps you make smarter, data-driven decisions.
Of course, functionality is key, but the user experience matters too. The platform has this clean, intuitive design, and it even includes thoughtful details like both light and dark modes. You can tell it was really designed with the end user in mind.
Drilling down a bit deeper, we see the asset list. This is designed to be completely straightforward. Whether you're managing 50 assets or 5,000, you can quickly search, filter, and sort to find exactly what you need in seconds.
Clicking on any asset takes you to its detailed profile. This is where you see the real depth of the information, all the specs, a full history of its movements, and even attached files like invoices or warranty documents. It's basically a complete biography for every single item.
All right, now this next part is, honestly, a total game changer: customization. See, AssetSense isn't some rigid, one-size-fits-all system. It's designed to bend to your business. You get to define your own asset types, your own locations, your own status labels. The whole point is that the system works the way you work, not the other way around.
And of course, with valuable assets comes the need for security and control. The platform lets you set up granular permissions for different user profiles, like admin, manager, or employee, making sure people can only see and do what's appropriate for their role.
So what's powering all this? The platform's innovation isn't just on the surface. It's built on a really solid technical foundation. Under the hood, AssetSense is built on a modern, robust tech stack. Using technologies like React for a dynamic user interface and Node.js for a speedy backend, the platform is engineered from the ground up for reliability, security, and a seamless user experience.
What that means for you, the user, is that the system is highly optimized. It's designed to be fast and responsive, whether you're managing a handful of items or scaling up to track thousands of assets across your entire organization.
So let's tie this all together. What does AssetSense ultimately represent for a business?
So why go with AssetSense? The value is pretty clear. It's a ready-to-go solution with no complex installation. It's fast, it's easy to use, and, most importantly, it's completely customizable to fit your unique operational needs. This quote from the project really captures the goal here. It's not just about tidying up, it's about elevating your entire operational process to a higher standard of efficiency and excellence. And that really leaves us with one final thought. For any company out there wrestling with asset management, the question isn't just about finding a better tool.
It's about being ready to make that shift from reactive chaos to proactive control. So what would that transformation look like for you?